Howdy friends, welcome back. It's a new day. Now I'm gonna try and get this Daz Evers number 37 out today. If I don't get this one on camera soon, I think I may have to call defeat. This one's been putting up one hell of a fight, I tell you. I've picked on it a few times and I've got it open a couple of times, but each time I got it open I was just about to give up, and you know, you're just about to give up and you're just prodding away at the pin, so I'm not really sure what happened. So I'm going to use Daz's pick, and hopefully this will give me a bit of an advantage. Maybe just reconfigure the voice here, maybe a better view. Yeah, I think that's as good as we can get it. No. Wobble it around. There we go. I'm going to use this tensioner because I think really feather light tension is the way to go with this lock, I think. So, okay, let's go. Let's get stuck in. Right. I just know this is gonna this is gonna be a challenge. Okay, so pin one is weird. It binds, it sits very low. It obviously has a weak spring behind them, but yeah, click off from there, and okay, it's gone springy now. Yeah, pin two. You can't see anything, can you there? Yeah. Okay, that's a bit better. Don't fall over, don't fall over, don't fall over. Now, okay. Yep, where are we? Pin two. Okay, let's try pin two here. Unions as well, nasty keyways. Okay, yeah, two springy, three, springy, four. There we go. I'm going to click out four. The faucet. Go on there. Okay, so I'm using. So one. Okay, one is binding again. There we go, deeper faucet. That's not necessarily a good thing with this lock. Okay, two is binding now, is it? Yeah, it's really binding, so is it binding or is he set? That's the thing. Now he's binding. There we go. Some counter. So one is good. Two is good. Three. I think three is binding. Yeah, three seems to be binding now. Yeah. Okay, go back. We've obviously dropped Sonic. One, click on one. Two has jumped up. And then maybe we've overset three. Okay. One. Click off one. Click off two. Yeah. Three field. Okay, there we go. Touch four. Went a little bit deeper. Maybe click off one. See two now. Jump back on. Click off two. Three feels solid. Okay. I think that was pin four. Okay, let's try five here now. If I can get in at him. Okay, five feels like it wants to give some. Don't slip off. Oh, don't slip off. There we go. Yes. Managed to get five there without slipping off. Oh, feel like we could be close here. I bumped something on the way out. Got a bit of a deeper faucet going here. So let's see. Go back, check through. Slow and steady wins the race, Paul. Okay, so one. I can't even see him now. One feels good. Two is at the jumping back up again. Up, yep, baby. I think we got 2 there without losing too much else. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, yes. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Man. Great job, Daz. Okay, great job, mate. That put up. Wow, that looks, that's pretty quick actually, isn't it? Well, no, 5 minutes, but man, that put up. I'm trying to get that for a few days now. It's definitely had at least a couple of hours into that lock, easy. Okay, so yes, now let's see. Oh, we have a key and stuff like that, so we can relock it. Let's see if we can try to take it apart. So key, yes, don't need that stuff anymore. Just get all these gubbins in here. Shim, just in case. Just a clip thingy. Okay, let's have a look at the key here. Turn it down a bit better. There we go. So that one comes out. You don't, so I don't wander out of the picture. Okay, am I looking for a knife? Oh, I'm glad to get that one done now. Okay, let's see if we can cut this with it. Oh wait, hang on. Maybe we can do it this way. Yeah, good stuff. That's instead of using the gardening knife. Okay, there we go. Wow, look at that. Check out the bitting on that. Wow. Yeah, look, no wonder one disappeared. He's a minimum cut. Shit. No. Yeah, I don't think they would have been able to rake that lock, even though it looks like it may have. I don't think it would have. But hey ho, it's done now. So let's keep going here. Let me just put that mat there. Get this clip off. See, which way? Go like this. Yep, oh, there we go. Beauteous. And key. Yeah, it works nice. Tiniest catch up, but not major. This is major to speak of at all. We have some gaps there, so definitely a shim. Definitely a shim. Shim is a bit worse for wear. I have some new ones downstairs. I must have to bring a couple new ones up. Yeah, oh shit. Yeah, see, now it's getting stuck on something there. Let me see. Oh, there. I think that's all the way. Okay, now it's up 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes, very nice indeed. Yeah, you see some nice work done to those key pins already. Very nice. Wow, there's a counter milling and threading in there. Very good stuff, Daz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all threaded and all counter milled as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, wow, that's a nice little edge in there. And threading all the way down. Okay, let's have a look. Let's look at these pins. Right, now come on, let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Wow, really nice pins there, John. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Now let's have a look, see what we have upstairs. Okay, pin 1. There's the old man. Erect the buzz, wreck everyone's head. Sorry, hang, there we go. Another one of those. Oh, very nice. Those arrow pins, they work really well when you go into that deep fault set. They don't give any feedback, they don't give anything away at all. Really hard to find which one needs to be picked. Another one in 2. Yeah. There we go. Should we jump out? Oh, very nice. That's pin and pin there. Very nice indeed. I like that. Was it that way? No, sorry, I think I have them upside down there. I believe he came out the other way. I'll flip him around in a second. That's the spring out. A spring out pin chamber 2. Okay. Chase springs out maybe later. Here it goes. Pin 4. Very nice array at the pin. And copper spring. Just grab him there, seeing as he's poking his head up. And pin 5. Another one of those patented Bean Pickens arrow pins. Very clever design. Very clever idea with the arrow pins. The Bean Picking, they do work really well when made correctly. Okay, let's see. Wow, powerful springs as well there. And there's only 2 springs left. There's a really weak spring in 1. Can't even see him there. Let me just. He's not even interested in. Oh, there's one. There he is. I do believe. I think that one was there, and there's one more hiding in there, or else there's one hiding around on the desk somewhere. But there we go. There's the work on the car. Everything is threaded and counter milled. And check out the pins. Wow, they're really cool. Absolutely awesome. Sorry, that guy, he's upside down, that fella there. Let me just, there you go, buddy. Pin and pin, look. Very, very nice pin and pin, spooled out, and oh jeez, come on, get what you get. Goes like that. And here he goes. Oh, yeah. Oh Jesus, come on. I need an extra pair of hands here. Turn. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that's very cool. Huh? Very, very cool indeed. So we have in 1.